Today we're going to show you a brand new product, adjustable fender braces for 67 through 69 Camaro and Firebirds. Hey guys, Kevin with 𝐂𝐚𝐦𝐚𝐫𝐸 here. Today we're going to show you a brand new product, adjustable fender braces for 67 through 69 Camaro and Firebirds. We're going to show you the basic install on these and then why you would want a set of these for your car. Alright guys, so here we've got factory replacement style fender braces on our 1967 Firebird. This car's got good paint, but it has a reproduction fender on the driver's side. So you can see here on the passenger side, the reproduction fits fine. But on the driver's side, we're about a ½ inch off on the driver's side. The reason is a previous owner of this car had the car repainted and put a reproduction fender on it. The fender fits pretty well. The real biggest issue is just this hole doesn't line up in the factory spot. So now we can't have a factory style fender brace. It doesn't fit. And I know some of you guys will say, well, why don't you just get a new fender? Well, the paint on this car is in good shape. We don't want to have to, have the car repainted when we don't have to. Paint is very expensive today. So what we can do is put on some adjustable braces. All right, through the magic of video, we've got one installed here on the passenger side. As you can see, it's much more aesthetically pleasing, looks way better. All of the parts for this are American made and American sourced. We get the bars from a company out of Indiana. The clevises here, I actually polish here in the shop. Outside of the shop, we try to keep the shop clean. The brackets we designed and have made here locally in DFW. And then we also supply these chrome button head bolts for everything that come out of a company, I believe out of New Hampshire, but everything here comes out of America. So it's a completely American made, American sourced product. All right, so for the install, it's super simple. Normally you'd have one bolt here in the front, but as we mentioned earlier, this one doesn't fit because of the reproduction fender. You've got a bolt here on the fender that we've already got loosened, and I'm just gonna pull out. Set this to the side. We're gonna take our new adjustable one, and I'm gonna make sure my button head's up. I'm gonna take my other button head and put this into the core support. I'm just gonna kind of get it finger tight. And then I'm gonna take over here, and as you can see, we're not lined up right now, but all I gotta do is start twisting my bar, and my clevises will spin out until I get it where it's lined up. I'll try to move my hand so you can guys see as it lines up with me. Right about there, I think. Let me see with the bolt. Yep, that's perfect. Then once we get these tightened up, we'll actually take and put some tension back on the bar and then tighten our jam nuts so that we don't have to worry about it twisting. So that one. Right. Now you can see it feels pretty snug, but I'm gonna take and just tighten it back up a certain extent. I'm not trying to crank on it or anything, just get it to where with a firm grip my fingers are kind of slipping over it. And then I'm gonna take my jam nuts back down, and then I'm gonna tighten these, and that's the whole install, guys. I did this in less than 5 minutes. So this is a super simple, your wife wants to get ready for you to take her to dinner, you can still knock this out real quick. All right guys, so here they are side by side so that you can see them next to each other. You can see this is a much better looking piece. 67 through 69 Firebirds and Camaros are all the same. So if you're ever at a show and you notice a car only has one fender brace, it's probably because they have a reproduction fender like we do here. And that's why, because the factory brace won't fit anymore, or a factory style brace won't fit anymore. We've got these available for the 67 through 69 Firebirds and Camaros. We have them available for the 70 through 81 Camaros, and we're gonna have 74 through 81 Firebirds coming soon.
We're just waiting on brackets to come back from powder coating, and then they'll be available for you at 𝐂𝐚𝐦𝐚𝐫𝐽𝐻𝐿.com.
Okay, real quick, we're going to show you how to find these braces on our website. Just hover over the first gen product, click on engine and drivetrain, and then click on fender braces. Here are all the fender braces we offer for the first gen, and these are the ones that we showed you today. And you would do the same for the second gen. You can also just type in whatever product you're looking for into our search bar. Here are the first gen fender braces and the second gen fender braces.
Okay guys, so here's your factory replacement style option. These have a EBT coating. It's not very durable. It's really just to prevent rusting. You can see right here in this one, it's actually already got a nick in it. And so not a great just put it on and go solution. They don't come with any hardware. If you're more of a shiny chrome guy, you can get the factory style replacement in chrome. These actually do come with hardware. But if you like just the factory style, we offer them powder coated in satin black. We have a local powder coater that we use. It does great work for us. You don't have really much of any upcharge with this because we get a lot of stuff powder coated. We just get these added in, and it gives us a great deal on that. And we also give you stainless hardware with them that you usually would not get. We just like to give you a better complete package. We want you guys to be happy. All right, so now we have the 𝐂𝐽𝐫𝐿 braces. You can get them in a machined finish or a black finish. They will fit your factory fenders, or you can make some minor adjustments for them to fit a replacement fender. We had these on the car previously, so you can make them work. We just had to drill a hole for where we needed them to fit to move the fitment. 𝐂𝐽𝐫𝐿 is an American-made company. They're very proud to be American-made. You can see here and here, they engrave the flag into their parts. They do that with a lot of their stuff. We offer several different things from them. They make real good, high-quality parts. We've been very happy to be a vendor for them and sell their stuff. It's really good stuff. Like I said, we had these on the car prior to it, and we were happy with them. We just wanted to come out with our own solution. So that's what we have here, is our offering for adjustable braces that will fit either way without any modification other than you adjusting them. That's all you got to do. And again, we include, I don't have the hardware here on the table, but we include all the hardware, so you'll get button head bolts to bolt it into the car that look identical to what's here. And like I said earlier, quick 5-minute install, not a big deal. It's part of the reason we're going over everything now, is just because it was so easy of an install and it took so little time. We wanted to go ahead and show you more options. And then here's a little sneak peek at the 74 to 81 Firebird and Trans Am one that's coming out. It'll be on the website probably by the end of next week. Like I said earlier as well, we're waiting on our brackets to come back from powder coat. And then that should be available for you guys as well. All right guys, so that's it on fender braces for today. As many of you know, we bring dogs to work with us. This is Lola. She just turned 10 this week. She's our ferocious guard dog. So ferocious, as you can see her sitting here shaking because she doesn't like to be on the table. But she's real good. But that's it guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys in the next video.